The Canon error code E000002 indicates a problem with the power supply. Specifically that there is not enough power to print. This error code is often caused by issues such as a problem in the power cycle unit, jammed paper, or a faulty fixing film in the fixing assembly. To resolve this issue, several solutions can be applied. Firstly, resetting the machine is a viable option, which can be done by putting the printer in service mode, accessing the function tab, and then clearing the error code. If this does not work, it may be necessary to replace damaged parts in the fixing assembly, such as the fixing film, which is often the culprit. Additionally, checking for jammed paper in the fixing assembly is also crucial. If the error persists, the power supply itself may be the issue, in which case replacing the DC controller PCB or using a power backup in the event of a power outage may be necessary.